Yeah, what's going on, man? It is your boy, baby, JoeNoJoseph, and I'm back at it again with another one, all right? Today, man, we're checking out the SIDEMEN WOODWORK challenge, all right? You guys are not hip, man. The SIDEMEN have been doing this shit for a while. They have a banger video. I think that video has almost like 20 or 30 mil of the original Woodwork challenge video. So if you guys haven't checked that out, man, and you want to, make sure you guys click that one, all right? What the fuck am I talking about? Yo, what's going on, man? It is your boy, baby, JoeNoJoseph, and I'm back at it again with another one, all right? Today we're checking out the SIDEMEN WOODWORK challenge, all right? Yes, they brought it back, baby, okay? If you guys haven't checked out the original video, you need to, man, all right? The original video will be down in the link. It'll actually be the second link because this video will be the first one. So make sure you don't click the wrong link. Let's get into it, man. I love you guys so much, and thank you for your time. What's up, bro? I haven't been watching this stream. Oh, you're good, man. I don't know. I noticed a lot of people didn't pop up today. Probably because I came on at such a weird time, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys again tomorrow.
How's it going, guys? And welcome to the SIDEMEN Woodwork Challenge. I'm now going to pass you over to my friend, Mini Minter, who's going to do something.
Put your hands up if you like chicken over beef. That didn't work. You do one.
You like chicken over steak? Yeah.
Bro, on a day-to-day basis, you can't have steak every day.
Yeah, but if I'm like, if you're offering me a steak or a chicken, I'm taking the fucking steak.
No cap.
A finger up the bum.
What?
Harry and JJ are on the team ready.
Hey, yo, I was just...
Nick, you love it, come on.
How's this happening? I was just watching my man.
There's a finger up the bum.
Give him one more. I don't count as a player. Come on, this is 2v4.
Give him one more. Give him one more.
Give me somebody.
We got this, bro. We got this.
Do you like eating us?
So
Josh v. Harry, what represents?
So Ethan's just consistently screening cheeks, huh? Like, how come nobody told me that my guy? Like, I remember he said it in the first video, but he's been getting way too happy about letting us know that he's eating butt cheeks. Okay, I need you guys to understand it's not normal. It's not a normal thing. Okay, and you guys gotta stop. All right, I don't need all my friends coming out with pink eye. You guys gotta relax.
So you go first. Oh yeah. Oh, I know. You go first.
So who's going first?
We'll go first. No,
So don't ask, don't get, you know. Don't ask, don't get.
All right.
You stink, bro.
Which one are we going for first?
bottom
As
left.
a team. Your left post.
Yeah, that's a bottom left, but...
Yeah, I
Then
suppose.
ask.
Oh, fucking hell.
I go.
Okay. Here you go.
I think they skimmed.
Go for crossbar.
Go for chair, Ethan.
Crossbar.
Chair.
Aren't you better at passing than...
Go for chair.
Aren't you quite active?
Chair.
You
Hit chair.
No,
Leave me alone, guys. Okay, let me comment fish. All right. I need niggas to comment and tell me that I'm an idiot for using that word the wrong way.
One or the other.
Boo!
Good fight.
Now you go.
it's alright, it's okay.
I love when you miss a shot, the hobble gets worse afterwards.
I'm telling you.
Do you know what it is? It's because I put weight on it for the shot, and then it hurts.
Right, post.
Who's put a can?
Oh,
Jesus.
we might be alright.
Yeah, we might be okay.
How?
Calm down, Harry.
Yeah, I'll go.
Let's get our talent out there on the field.
How?
Cheeks.
Yeah, team cheeks.
Alright, I'm going for the right post.
Alright.
It's a tricky one. Get out of the way early.
Tricky one still.
Oh, yes.
Come on!
Okay,
I really
okay.
do like those.
Cheek
Clap,
team.
clap it. Clap the post. Clap it.
Don't they have a partnership with this field or whatever? Like the field lets them like film here and stuff like that as long as they promote it.
Clap it like the cheeks, baby.
I think get a crossbar.
Or match him.
No, he can't
Oh,
do
okay.
that. He ain't got the ability.
What? Match him.
Right post.
Yeah, you ain't got the
That's a
ability.
bit of you.
chance. No
Oh,
chance.
shit!
Yeah,
That's the
Come
second
on.
one.
no,
You guys actually suck, you know?
Chair, JJ.
Now I'm doing crossbar.
JJ, you see the N on the chairs? The N.
Oh, yeah.
Hit T, hit T.
I'm doing crossbar.
Oh, okay.
Go on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
That was very close.
bro, I thought he finessed that.
What happens if we hit 2?
What?
It counts.
You cannot do it.
Inside right, into left.
Impossible.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, go for it, easy.
Impossible.
That
Be
pulls
the
off
devil.
Yeah,
Yeah,
what are you saying, Vic? Crossbar, go on.
Crossbar in a dream.
Alright, let's get it.
Crossbar.
Come on.
Baby. Oh my god.
Damn, hey, everybody's kind of showing some effort today, bro. No cap.
Look, Josh, you get this now, and we're drawing. You get this now, we're
I
drawing.
don't know where it goes though, just kick it.
Just kick the ball, bro.
Hey, yo, hit someone's window.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, bro, you're just destroying everything. What's going on?
Breaking everything in his place.
Wait, so we've hit the
Hit the right one.
The edits are really the best. No cap.
Right, we'll go crossbar because it's simple.
Okay.
Simple.
Simple.
What impulse?
These niggas could never hit the crossbar.
I'll try and get crossbar.
Yo, just get anything at this point. We just need to.
Oh, Toby got this. Toby got this.
Toby, what's happened?
We're stinking!
It's you.
Alright, I'm gonna go for the other post this time.
Yeah?
And we'll just be left on crossbar.
Yeah, last time you used this
goes
ball.
to
This is
plan.
your
No,
ball.
that's
You want this ball? This is your ball.
Hey, stop corrupting
That's
it.
the one you hit it.
Stop corrupting.
Oh.
Don't listen to them.
Yeah,
Don't listen
no,
to them.
no,
And it
that's the
matches
one
his
I hit it
jacket.
with. It is the one he
You
hit it
fell
with.
into the mind
Nah.
games. You was ready,
Okay,
then.
if he hits this, you have to apologise to us on your knees.
I will.
Knees.
It's exactly how it
You're in
sounds.
no position to call these shots. Look what you did.
Yeah.
Oh.
They filled the ball. It sounded right in my head.
No, you succumb to the mind game. Simon, you're pants, bro. Like,
I'm pants.
Yeah, you're so
I'm
pants.
pants.
Bro. You're
Yeah,
so
you're
I think I'm pants.
Show him you're not pants.
You want to say I'm not pants?
You're pants.
See that left
Don't
foot?
anger the beast. Don't anger the beast.
So pants.
How close you going, bro?
In crossbar.
JJ, you know you're a big artist, you know? You know you're a big artist, you know? What was that?
Hey, yo.
What was that?
I know what you mean, bro.
That was actually crazy.
Somebody's definitely gonna save that. Oh snap! What it do, baby? Hey, what it do, Cosby? Hey, thank you so much, man, for pulling up on me, broski. I love you, man. Thanks so much for the 2-month free sub, baby. I love it, man. I loved it. All right. Hopefully you enjoy yourself, man. If there's anything you want to see on the channel, make sure you let me know down below. All right. Hopefully the family welcomes you. I love you, baby.
You know?
Yeah, that was-
Listen, crossbar.
Yo, I didn't know where I was.
You ain't getting no songs, no cool people.
That's crazy, bro.
For real, man. It's mad.
What do you want? Just anything,
Bro, we need to stop this.
Anything,
We
okay?
actually need to stop saying where we're going to
Break another chair, go on.
Hey,
Yeah,
yo,
do that.
just hit someone.
Break another
Nah,
check.
dead.
Damn, Josh, get it in the goal.
My toes are frozen. Crossbar again? What are you saying?
Yeah, just keep sending it. Hey, yo, crossbar,
To be
do it,
fair,
man.
he's getting close-ish.
Come on, Vic.
A bit of height.
Oh.
It's not a bad effort.
Cheers,
Better than
Josh.
all of mine.
It's better than all of yours.
Toby, bro, like,
All of
Toby,
them.
you know, like, the posts?
Crossbar.
Nah,
Do hit those. Do not hit the net.
Don't hit the net.
Just a tip, because you hit the net a couple times.
nah. Just score. Show them you're a baller, innit?
Okay,
Great goal.
Great goal.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, you're letting us down a
I'm
little bit, bro.
thinking.
All
Alright, Baz, this is left post.
I feel like Vic wants the crossbar.
properly right now.
I'm in the area.
You could just P-roll it.
Oh,
It's good effort.
effort.
Alright, come on, Simon.
Nah, he's not doing
You
that.
reek, right?
I could see from
No,
his
he's
face.
What? Come on. Oh shit! Yeah, I did yesterday. What was that? Yesterday? Day before yesterday? Yeah, I don't even remember. Hit somebody up.
Nah, no chance.
You what? Huh? Okay. All right. Well, never mind.
I can
In
see
the head,
it.
in the
Yeah,
head.
yeah, I can
In
see
the
it. I saw how he stood.
You
I
were
was
so
like
nice
that.
to me last minute.
Oh God. I'm gonna for this post here.
Okay, let me just stand here and get the ball.
And can I can scumbag this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're passing it. Okay.
Oh.
I actually should have stayed there.
Oh. We haven't hit one, too, have we?
We should
No,
just go
we haven't hit
crossbar.
anything.
We should just go.
I just can't
I've
do
been
shit,
going
bro.
for crossbar, bro.
Go on, JJ. Which
Alright,
one?
calm.
No look.
So that's
Jump.
your
No
problem,
look.
lads.
No problem.
Next
Aye,
one.
aye, no
No,
look,
with the
no
jump, with the jump. Do the jump first.
No, don't do the jump. No, oh, lad.
What's the point? That's the way you should go. That's the way
Why
you
are you
should go.
fooling? They're mind games.
I want to see it. I want to see it.
Toby, remember the post.
No, it's not. Just don't talk to me.
Just go crossbar.
I've been going crossbar.
No, this time it's like-
And you go
Left butt. Come on, Toby. Toby, be killing it on the left.
Great goal. Okay,
Hit that
cool.
crossbar.
Come on, bro. I got faith.
Yeah, mate, crossbar the thing.
Business meeting.
Go on.
Easy, come on.
Bro, I don't understand, like, how have they not thought about this before? I don't know if I've seen it on another video, but these fucking edits are insane, bro.
Easy, come on. Business as usual. I'm playing it. Thank you.
Pleasure, thank you.
Fantastic.
Are you lot? Simon, personally, I wouldn't have that.
Wait, so if
Have you seen this team, bro?
We are stinking.
We're not gonna whitewash you. If we whitewash you, you get an apology.
you have to apologize. Yeah, just have to say sorry on your knees. On your knees.
Why are you trying
On your
to
knees,
why
you
are you
have
trying
to
to
say
get me on my
sorry.
knees?
No.
Take the mini boots off.
Oh no. Angered the beast.
Oh,
He wants to kill that.
damn, Mini Mentor didn't show up today.
Imagine if you just pass it to the left now.
No, Bez, no. Go on, Bez. Accuracy, you got this, bro.
We need is that post.
Big Beza.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it was effort.
Josh, we need one, please. I've stunk, Toby stunk.
Josh, bro, you actually stink of old piss, by the way. Yeah, like an old granddad's piss.
You take that.
You're making me angry. Really angry.
That's another seat gone.
Not angry enough.
Harry, whitewash him.
I'll try, bro. I'll
Do
try.
it to him.
Where are you going?
Make them apologize.
I don't want to be in the mud.
No, that's okay.
Make them apologize.
Make them in the mud.
We're
They already are in the mud.
Oh, look, Rose in the stands.
Oh, wow. Bro, you got it.
It still blows my mind every time I see him wear this jacket, bro. Like, I remember him saying when he bought that hoe, he's like, oh yeah, I'll actually wear it. And I was like, there's no way he's actually gonna wear this jacket. And he be killing it, like, he be fresh with that shit, no cap.
Whoa, what was that?
Bro, I wouldn't have that.
Whoa.
Stinker.
Go on.
Toby!
Doesn't play football, bro.
All right, so for the apology, right?
Yeah.
No!
Nah, on your knees, apologize.
Keep going.
All right, so there's the left, right?
Yeah.
The right.
No way he hits this.
Go on.
I was gonna say, bro, ain't no way he calls this and gets it. No way!
I realised the
Bro,
importance
I don't know what, like,
this
Do
shot.
mini into stuff.
where?
Like, anywhere you want.
Yeah, he's having a cool minute.
Crossbar, you're good at that.
You can do anything.
Do Mini Mentor stuff.
Right, Vic, come on,
Hey,
man.
yo, Vic,
Vic,
come
you're
on,
not
Vic, Vic, come on, bro.
This might be the most anticlimactic ending.
No, won't be.
If you get it.
Do it.
Come on.
Do it to him.
Oh, no. It's all right. No. We go for that.
Vic!
Come on, Zerka.
Josh, please.
Bro, how have they not hit a single one yet? This is outrageous.
Outrageous.
You're making me more and more angry.
He was angry on your last shot. God forbid what happens now.
Make me happy.
I'm shaking.
So,
Poor Tommy Johnson.
Hit Tommy twice.
Fucking Tommy Johnson, eh?
Come on.
light work.
Finish it off.
Apology season. Oh no. Wrong
We'll
one.
take that.
So you lose it.
Come on, Big Beza!
That's a minus.
Nah, we can't stop making
Now you want to make rules. Now you want to make rules. So you're jealous we can hit things twice.
Ethan said so nice you had to hit it twice, you know what I'm saying?
2-time! Can I get a 2-time?
I don't know.
No, you can't.
That's a distinction.
Can I join your team?
I don't know if that was it. I don't know if that was it.
Good memory.
Harry, do it to him. Do it to him. Hit him with it. Do it to him.
Do something cool. Do something cool.
Do it to him.
Jesus.
Hey, it's Tom, you can do
Oh,
that,
if we
right?
knock him out with a pass. It's ultimate
You're good at that,
difference.
right? Surely, you're good at that.
No, it's hard. It's a hard pass. That's a hard pass.
Team Reek.
Just a pole, come on.
It's just a He just fucks it every time. Why? I was about to say, watch him hit it with that.
I'm angry.
Yeah, do it to him. There's no worries.
He does.
We can relax.
Yeah,
Yeah, we actually have a lot of time.
Yeah, Josh, all you got to do is hit one of the posts.
Imagine they beat, if they somehow beat us now.
that would be paid.
I'll actually just
There's
respect it.
literally no way.
No,
they
don't
can
do
beat
that.
us.
Don't do that. That's
No
like Harry.
way. There is no way they
Harry,
can
you
beat
say
us.
that.
If I know anyone, it's certainly not Josh.
Oh no, hang on.
Vic, do it
Well,
to
no.
him, bro. Vic, do it to him. If Vic wins it with a pass, bro.
Go on, Vic.
Do- oh.
The way you ran forward.
Put him back in.
Hey, you can't do nothing, bro.
Ethan, please finish this.
Yeah, Els is watching.
Let's get it, babe.
She's baking and she's watching you. Come on, Ethan.
If you hit this,
I'll bake you a cookie. I'll bake you a cookie.
Yeah.
You lot, man.
You're like, how are we surviving this?
We're friends,
Harry.
bro.
I don't even know why.
You made me angry.
I'm on your team.
He said, "Come on, man, we're friends. We're supposed to be buds, dude."
You're like, how are we surviving this?
A cookie.
Yeah.
You lot, man.
You're like, how are we surviving this?
We're friends,
Harry.
bro.
We're friends.
I don't even know why.
You made
got
me
involved.
angry.
I'm on your team.
So I just want you to know Talia can't move into another flat.
Come on, big man.
Okay.
Chase is on. Come on.
No, it's fine.
I tried getting him. I tried getting him.
It's fine.
I tried getting him.
We're filming something because we give them hope.
Yeah, we have given them hope.
Give them hope.
Yeah, it was a drone.
Yeah.
Plus
Trust
time.
them.
Moving ball and count.
Bro.
Shit.
Bro.
Good go. That was a good go. Good
Bro.
go. Go on, Josh.
Josh, you can't do it.
Top left, isn't it?
Josh, you can't do it.
Top
bro.
left.
No chance, man.
No chance, fella.
Do you even have legs?
He's Logan Paul.
Yeah. Vic.
What was I doing? I was down here.
That cheated right here.
Bro, the edits on this video are fucking.
Pass it here. Hey, wait. That's cheated right here.
Oh, you lot, I think we might lose.
Do you have legs?
He's got
Oh,
too
you
many
lot,
legs.
I think we might lose you.
Yeah, you know,
I
yeah.
think we might lose.
Yeah, we actually might.
Toby, you could equal the game here. I just want you to know that.
Go on, equal the game.
It would mean a lot to your
But you
team.
have hit the net every time. Do you?
Logan Paul does.
Show him.
We're about to find out, bro.
You have legs, bro.
Oh no.
Oh.
I think I heard.
Hey, yo, Ethan. It's
Is
actually
it
getting a
me?
bit closer.
Vic.
It's me.
How was it?
It's me. Your resident
Vic start to win.
resident
Come on,
shooter.
Vic. Come on, Vic, for the
Big
dub.
start to win.
Come on, Vic.
Do the star. Do the star.
Start jump.
Oh, all right. Okay.
No, you're going to the left
No, it's
post.
fine.
I don't think he knows.
It's crazy because I thought he actually hit that.
I'll do the same.
He just kicks
Fuck,
it.
see,
and it
now it's
goes-
back at him.
Okay.
Simon,
Angry.
I'd like to say I'm sorry for what I said.
Has Vic ever like tried to be good at soccer? Like, has he ever actually like tried to like practice and shit, or does he just not care about it at all?
Simon.
It was just. I hope she does get her next flat, by the way.
It was me, look.
That left one. This could be trouble.
Oh, we're very roped now.
No.
You see how fucking big I am?
You need to hurry up. Hey, yo, mom. It's getting a bit mad.
Getting a bit mad.
Come on,
It's getting a bit mad.
Unlucky.
Oh, shit.
Oh, no.
It's you.
Crossbar,
He had the
Josh.
shot.
It's me.
He had the shot.
Crossbar for the dub.
Now we're in the mud. Now we're.
Well, and I legit said there's literally no way
Yeah.
we can win.
If Josh wins it for them
Josh,
after
you
half,
gotta do
Bro, come on, Zerk! Come on, Zerk! We need this, baby! Come
I
on!
might go to hiding. For
Josh
Well, all
has
you need
legs.
to do is cross
Josh
back.
has legs.
If I miss, what happens?
Josh has legs.
I might go and run away.
Hey, yo, don't do your back.
Why are you saying?
Die!
Hey, nobody thought that was happening, bro. Nobody saw that coming.
don't do anything.
Bro,
He's at it again.
You know what the thing is,
He's
right?
at it again.
We actually went first, so you guys had a go.
I apologise.
But he's just had that shot.
I didn't even do
Oh, no, he didn't know that.
no, he
No, I
didn't
didn't
know
know
that.
Know that.
Please.
He didn't know.
Please
It
know
wasn't-
that.
No.
No, it wasn't a go.
I didn't know. No, you
You've
didn't
had
watch
your
us
go,
though.
lads.
No, it wasn't 3-0.
Apologise.
It wasn't 3-0. It wasn't 3-0.
Come on, lads.
No, it's only
Don't
3
bad
nils.
losers.
It's 3 nils. 3 nils.
No,
but
3
he
nils are
said
apologies.
there is no way that they win this.
He owes an apology.
He did say that.
No,
He did say that.
I don't even if we all apologize. If everyone does it, then I'll do it.
A good,
Cheating him, yeah?
a good man will apologise.
If you want to do it, then I'll do
I'll
it.
apologise. We can apologise.
A good man will
No,
apologise.
no, if everyone else does it.
Hey, Vic's doing it. Toby.
He's like, I'm not getting down on my knees, dog.
Toby, Vic's doing it.
Okay.
No, just wait. Where's Harry gone?
Is he hiding?
Hey, listen.
Bro, it's so crazy because I never catch these things. Like I never get to like a lot of the times because like there's so much like random like little British inside jokes and stuff like that that I never can catch things. But I actually saw that snap. It was great. I loved it. Instagram, whatever.
He's done, look.
Harry sat down over there.
Harry's hiding.
I don't know where Harry is.
Hide.
Pass that walk on.
Look at
He's
JJ, look.
behind that corner.
JJ giving top bins, no cap. No cap. Hey, thank you guys so much, man, for tuning into that Simon video with me, man. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to the More Simon channel. You're really missing out, okay? You need to, man. Go ahead and recommend a video down below that you want to see me check out on the channel, or just put some, constructive criticism. Let me know how I can be better, all right? I love you guys so much. Big peace, baby.